Hello, welcome to our channel. If you're new to this channel, this is FemMNY. And to all our subscribers that's always there, thank you guys so much for coming back and thank you guys for joining me. For today's video, I'll be making another setup and we'll be using our round arch balloon stand. And again, this is for Easter. So the materials that we use here will be in the description down below. And I will be showing you how I set up the balloon. So I will make flowers, 5 petals, and everything's gonna be the same. So I will just show you this color. So inflate this. This is actually 10 inches. You can also use 11 or 12 inches balloon. So we'll inflate this to 7 inches. You attach or connect them together. So it looks like this. Okay, we'll make another 5 petals. So now we have our 5 inches balloon. We will inflate this to 4 inches. So this time we'll make this flat. You put this in between. I'll wrap it just like that. So you see your balloon in there. Put this on the bottom part. So just like that, one on each side. Make this flat. Put this on top and then put your balloon in between. Same, just like that. And then wrap this around. And there it is. So already pre-made a lot of this and we'll go to the next room where we do the setup. And there you go. As you can see, we have 4 sets of each flower and 3 different color. So now it's time to put this on our round arch balloon stand. By the way, this is 5 feet tall and we will mount this. And when we got this, I actually did something, I DIY. I extended the leg right here because it's too short and I want this to, the balloon not to touch on the ground. So I made this longer. All right, so we'll put this up here. So you just slip this in between like that. Once you attach it here, you need your 260 balloon or modeling balloon. Just put it right here. So it's securely attached on your arch. All right, then the next color, same thing. Put it together. Put one on this side. Have another 2 on this side. This will be our swing. So now we'll add our bunny rabbit. Again, if you're new to this channel and you want to know how I made this beautiful bunny rabbit, please check that out right there. We have a different video tutorial for this. Right here on the swing. Alright, so all you need to do is add some bunnies right there. And there you go, it's finally done. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you do like this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. And once again, this is FemMNY. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.